Welcome to our channel. This video explains the 5 health benefits of carrots. Did you know carrots are one of the most popular and adaptable vegetables? In this video, I'll reveal some fascinating facts about carrots and how they can enhance your health. First, high in vitamins and minerals, carrots are high in nutrients that are necessary for good health, such as vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and fibre. These vitamins and minerals can aid in immunological function, skin health, and overall well-being. Second, antioxidant properties. Carrots contain a high concentration of antioxidants, which can help protect your body from cell damage and disease. Carrots' high quantities of beta-carotene, in particular, have been linked to a lower incidence of various malignancies and heart disease. Third, digestive aid. Carrots are strong in soluble fibre, which can help regulate bowel motions and enhance digestive health. This can also help lessen the likelihood of digestive issues such as constipation and diarrhea. Fourth, beneficial to eye health. Carrots are well known for their ability to improve vision, and for good reason. They contain a lot of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is required for good eyesight and can help minimize the risk of age-related vision disorders. Fifth, carrots are low in calories and high in fiber, so they are a fantastic complement to any weight loss strategy. Carrot fiber can help you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating and promoting weight reduction. Thank you for viewing, and I hope to see you again soon.